Hello ladies! Thank you for joining me today. We're gonna do some cleaning, some organizing, and a bit of decluttering today. So we are not tackling any big projects, but I do have a few cabinets in my kitchen that just need attention. And one of those cabinets is the one where we store butter. And I have been wanting to getting a new butter dish for quite a while now. The one we currently are using is chipped and it's just not looking the best. And in a little bit, I'm gonna show you kind of the issues I'm having with its functionality. So this one is from a company called Swiss. I have gotten some dishes from them before, so they did send this one to me, and I don't know what it is. I'm just really enjoying like the simple and white, elegant kitchen accessories, kitchen dishes, plates, all that for a few months now. So I'm definitely always like going towards them, but I know they have different colors of everything. But for me, I don't know, something about white. So let me know what's your style lately, because I know styles change all the time. I used to be more for colors. Now I'm definitely more white. And this is another area that I am tackling in this video. So for a while, I had stored my pots and pans in this drawer and some grilling utensils. And I have been using paper towel to kind of separate them to make sure that they don't scratch, because that's the non-stick surface that they have. And I have been looking for things I can use other than paper towel that are just more sturdy and the paper towel is not flying everywhere. So a while ago I did see them. I think I saw them at Dollar Tree. They were not the most sturdy, but I did see that they exist because before that I didn't even know they do exist. So I decided to look at Amazon. I found some really good ones. They had them in many different colors and they were a perfect fit for them, and it just helps to keep things organized, and it definitely works better than the paper towel because it's bigger. The surface is much bigger. So definitely enjoy the end result here. And if you are new to my channel, I wanted to just say welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you will stay and subscribe and enjoy more videos on household management from a perspective of a working mom, because that is who I am. I work full-time during the day, and then just my passion is to trying to figure out the best way to organize my time, my home, so I can be as efficient as I can. That allows me to spend more time with my family. So if you do enjoy content like that, make sure that you subscribe down below. And this is another area in my kitchen that I am tackling today. Those are the two shelves in my corner cabinet. As you can see, it's stuff is everywhere. It was time to clean it, but I also wanted to organize it in a more functional way, because I feel I'm always like reaching if I want to make a smoothie, or if my husband is looking for his water bottles. It's always we kind of like shift things around. And then on the bottom shelf, I did not have a lot of things. I decluttered a few months ago, that particular shelf, and there was just felt like there was a lot of empty space in there and very cluttered space on the top. So I was trying to figure out the best way to kind of, one, clean, and two, get rid of anything I no longer used, and then organize it in a more functional way.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless.
And the lighting in this video was kind of on and off. Sometimes it was darker, sometimes it was brighter. I couldn't figure out how to make it stay the way I wanted to, so hopefully it's not too distracting. But as I said, I am kind of going through the stuff. There was not a lot of things for me to get rid of because I have those particular shelves, it was basically what I use. I have done a lot of decluttering over the past, year and a half probably. So I definitely, noticed that now that I did those major decluttering sessions, and I have a lot of decluttering videos on my channel if you wanted to check them out. But once you go through that giant decluttering project, then the next time, my system at least is next I kind of use that that space, that corner, cabinet, whatever that is, and see what kind of functionality I'm looking for. So I try not to organize or spend too much time organizing at first, right after I declutter. I wait until I actually am able to use this space for a while and see what I want. Because I will tell you, I have made this mistake so many times before, and I feel like it definitely hindered my progress that I was making. Every time I would declutter in the past, now we're talking about like 2 years, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I would go through this giant process of decluttering, but honestly, my concentration was on making it look pretty. So I was really, into like bins and organizing in a nice way, but I was not concentrating on actually getting rid of stuff. So I like to say I was organizing my mess. And that basically led to, a few months later, I still had too much stuff and I had to declutter again. So right now, for the past, like I said, year and a half, it's more, declutter first, organize second. So when I'm doing decluttering, you're gonna see a lot of times, there is some organization, but not a lot. And this is what I came up with. I used that Lazy Susan to put different types of, smoothie cups or water bottles, so I can easily grab what I need instead of kind of trying to reach and search for things. So, and I will use that for few months and see if that actually works for me, because that's another thing. Just because I think it's gonna work, sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I just need to make a few little tweaks to make it exactly the way I want it. So if you're on this journey, definitely don't get discouraged if you kind of either keep on addressing the same spaces. One, ask yourself if you're truly decluttering, and two, when you're organizing, go for what's functional more than what's pretty. That's definitely an advice that I wish I had taken a long time ago.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
And this is how that bottom shelf looks like right now, very much empty. So now that my butter dish was, nice, clean, rinsed off and dry, I wanted to put butter. I was debating which one to put in, the one that's unsalted that I use mostly for cooking, or the one that is salted that we used for sandwiches. And I thought, what, I don't need to have, soft butter for cooking, but I definitely could use a soft butter for my sandwiches. So I was just kind of trying to figure out which one would be the best, but definitely no brainer here. It's the salted one. And I originally put it in that cabinet on the lower shelf, But then I thought to myself, you know what, it is so pretty, it needs to be on a counter. And this is the old one that I had, and as you can see, it was chipped on the top. And my problem with it is that it just got extremely messy because, you know, the butter got soft and it was all over the place. So I'm really excited, and I feel like it fits right in next to my little coffee station. And next we moved on to one more shelf, which was, it just had like a lot of stuff that we no longer use. Like it had, we used to take vitamins every day, a few kinds, a while ago. So we had this like vitamin divider, no longer used. I just needed to go. It was not like a big space, clearly one shelf, but it just needed to, I just needed to go through that and finally just declutter a little bit.
Not long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face.
So I definitely have a few more areas in the kitchen to address, but I also have learned that I don't have to do the whole kitchen in one sitting. More often than not, I just simply don't have time to do that. So it's better to do it little by little than trying to wait for the day when you're gonna have, you know, a really long time, like the whole day, to address your whole kitchen, because then I'm probably gonna wait forever. So next time I'll address other spaces and just make that progress step by step. So if you are in the same spot, definitely join me over the next few weeks as we keep on addressing those little spaces. And before you know it, you're gonna go through the whole kitchen or the whole other space that you are currently decluttering. And lastly, I wanted to just put up a few fall decorations. And I will tell you, for some reason this year, I don't know, I put up very, very little. I don't know, I had decluttered my like fall decorations bin that I have. I used maybe 1/4 of it. So I'm gonna have to declutter whatever I didn't use, because, you know, if I'm no longer using it, why keep it? I don't know, I just wanted to do it as simplistic as possible. It's just, I don't know, when I kept adding other things, it just looked too cluttered to me. So I don't know if it's because I'm keep on decluttering or what it is, but it's just few touches here and there. So let me know how you enjoy your fall decor in your house. Do you like a lot of things, or you just few staples here and there?
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down.
And as you can see, I had my daughter and our puppy helping with cleaning and decorating. But I hope this video gave you some motivation to tackle whatever space you want to tackle in your house. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
We've been longing for each other.